A new video from Technic Bauer. Today we show you the app downloader, what you can do with it and how you can shorten the whole thing. On almost all Android televisions there is now the great app downloader. With Downloader, as the name suggests, you can install apps that you can't find in the Play Store. The downloader is designed so that you can also browse here, i.e. you can surf the internet here on a certain website where you want to surf, whichever. Here you can enter the address, such as Google. I'll show you that now, but not on Google, but as I said, you can surf any website here with your television. And of course, as the name suggests, you can download apps here. So we open this page, for example, and you can see that I can easily surf the websites here, no matter which website it is. I can use my Google browser here as normal. But as I mentioned at the beginning, there is the option here on the home page to download apps. For this you would have to enter the whole link here. For example, the address, such as http:// and the whole address. You can save that. We'll show you what's great about it, namely a shortener for the downloader. Assuming I want an app here, for example, called GSpace, which is now just an example app, and I would like to download it here. Then I click on it here, click on it again, copy this link now, then I go to the page here, you can find the link in the video description. Enter the whole thing. You still have to confirm that you are not a robot and on shorten. And now you have the code that you actually only have to insert into the app. Let's try that out now. Here we have to insert the code now so that the whole thing works. Then it is already downloaded. You see, you save yourself the annoying waiting time. Enter, connect. We are directly on the website and can already download the app directly here. Just a few seconds and we don't have to do anything else here. Of course we have to allow that here. And here you have the link now. Advertising, of course, that's normal. And the download is already running here. We'll try it again with another app. And this time I'm trying a speed test. Download. Download.pk. Copy the link here again. Then back to the app. We add this here. Confirm again that you are not a robot. Shorten. Now we have the code again. Of course we enter this back into the downloader now. We try it out and enter the code here. And then open the app and try the whole thing out. So, code entered. Then we open this link. Connect. Takes a few seconds again. And here we have the link speed test. And then we can get started and download the app here, as you can see. And then we can try the whole thing out. And you see, I could now install the app, but I don't need it. In the files you have the app that you downloaded. And you can now install it here if you want. You have installed it down here. But I don't need that now. You see how easy the whole thing works. You can use the downloader, as I said, you can convert your URL or website here into numbers. Do you have any questions about this tutorial? Then use the comment function. Subscribe to our channel, then you will be up to date. Technic Bauer says thank you for watching and goodbye.